So today we are going to see the projection of plane. First we will see the projection of plane with respect to inclination of with respect to only one plane, that may be HP or either VP. Then later we will check it out what about if the plane is inclined to both. Okay, so let us take planes are nothing but 2D elements. As you can see, this is an hexagonal shaped plane and it may have X as well as Y direction only. This also circle. Okay, if you seen from top view according to the position you will see the circle, but if you are seeing from the front view you will see only one line that is equivalent to its diameter. Okay, so problem is a circular disc. Let us take diameter of 50 mm. Okay, so 5 is equal to 50. Let us take diameter of this circle is 50 mm and the angle of inclination theta is 45 degree. Okay, and it is on HP, that is 20 mm above from HP. Okay, and in front of VP it's 20 mm, or sometimes they may not give any distance so that you can take it anywhere. So you may take like this if it is so easy. So you will take this problem whether 45 degree is inclined to this. Okay, 20 mm height and after that 45 degree inclination. So when you are seeing the front view you will get only one line. Okay, if you have doubt you just switch on your torchlight. If you have a circular disc objects in your home, just keep it like 45 degree inclination, then you put the torchlight on so that you will get the shadow that will be in one single line will be here with 45 degree angle of inclination. Let us check how to solve this problem. Okay, first as usual we have to draw X, Y, VP, HP plane. So here whatever the upcoming problems in projection of solids as well as plane, you have to draw first normal front view, top view, how it looks like. Then you should go with one inclination with respect to any one plane where you will get maximum details. Okay, then you should go for the last one. Here it's going to make angle of inclination 45 degree with respect to HP, right? So we are making that position only, and there is no more inclination with respect to vertical plane. So there is two stages are available, stage 1 as well as stage 2. Okay, so the disc is like this. After that only it's going to make 45 degree angle of inclination with respect to HP. So first normal front view, top view you have to write. So when you are seeing from top view it will get circular disc. When you are from the front view it will be in single line which is equal to 50 mm diameter. So top view projections will be fall on horizontal plane. Okay, top view projection will be fall on horizontal plane. So we are going to make this cylinder first. Okay, this circle which diameter is equal to, now we'll put some laid out line, close this, close this. So 50 mm. After that what you can do, you may divide this circle into 4 parts. That is generally okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, because it is in HP so you can give A, B, C, D diameter whatever maybe we are given. So after that we should go for the projection. Okay, so for making these projections you have to use these construction lines, may be used with H pencils or 2H pencil depending upon your usage. Okay, then you should mark how much length it is. Okay, as you can see B, D will be there, so B, D. Then if you have confusion, again use 2H pencil and extend this line up to here. Okay, as you can see A as well as C both will be merged together and it was B like that. So B, C, D, A. So A will be visible, D and B will be visible, C will be hidden. So you have to put C dash in the bracket and you have to put A like this. Okay, as usual the length you know, so mark it here. So this is a stage 1 preparation. As I told, it was 20 mm above from high HP plane. So this distance you have to measure, you make it whether it's 20 mm or not. Here I am taking for just explaining the concept, so I taking some freehand sketch I have not mentioned, but solving the problem you have to take the exact details. Okay. Now stage 2 is the inclinations given by the problem. So here it's 45-degree inclined to HP plane. Okay, so the line will be, so it is very difficult if you seen from the object from the top view and reproducing this object, but it is very easy if you are seeing this towards point and it is in single line. The projection will be in single line which is 45-degree inclined. That is very easy. So what we have to do, and for this distance you have to mark one point here and make 45-degree inclined line. Okay, use extended lines here, make 45-degree, and you know what is the distance of this. Okay, so reproduce this distance and reproduce the same names. Here it will be B dash, so reproducing one more time, so B1 dash I am putting, and here C1 dash, A1 dash, and this is D1 dash. This, let me write here, D dash. Okay, now problem is, half of the problem is over. Second, what we have to do again, this also we have to, let me write it. Okay, now next what we have to do, we have to use 2H pencil and extend these lines from this. Okay. Then what we have to do, we have to extend these lines over here. From this it will go here and it will go here. Now most of the problem is over. Now you have to give the clear numbering. So let us start with C. C is here, and you know this is one more C's line. So C1, this will be the mark. Okay, and this is a B point and this is a B1 point. So B1 will be here. This, and A, this point, and D, this point, D1. Okay, now most of the locations are over and we have to make these circles, and okay, it will be like this. So if you are finishing this problem and this is over, what we have to say means this is inclination to only one plane, that is over. If you have one more inclination means, then again you have to do the work like this, and you have to extend and you have to make it. Okay, sometimes if you are unable to reproduce this circle at the first attempt means you have to construct one square, that is outside. You know this circle is covered by this point, this point, this point. Maybe I can give 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes some inclinations if you are unable to do means you can reproduce this square first, then you know what is the distance between 1 to A1, A1 to A2, A2 to D, D1, D1 to C, etc. So you have to relocate those silent point, then you have to do this type of inclinations and you have to finish. Okay, so then one more problem we will solve with the hexagonal plane with the inclination of both planes. Okay, so hope it will be very helpful to you for understanding this concept, and this is what inclination with respect to one plane, but we have the problems inclinations of planes with both planes, VP as well as HP.